Hey everybody, this is your boy Harshith and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can generate unlimited blogs just using ChatGPT and a couple of simple tools that I'm going to share with you. All right, so before we dive into that, make sure you actually subscribe to my YouTube channel, all right, because I'll be sharing some amazing content about AI, how to use AI agents and actually monetize that in 2025. And also subscribe to my email newsletter as well, because I'll be sharing around 100 different AI ideas directly to your inbox and how you can implement that as well. So make sure to subscribe to both of these. All right, so first things first, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna find a video, right? So I think I'm just gonna use this video because this video performed really well, got like 2.5K views and actually a lot of likes as well. So I'm just gonna copy this link, right? So what are these tools? So what are the tools that I'm actually gonna use? You can actually pay for this tool called video2blog.ai. Maybe I'll just share with you what video2blog.ai is. So instantly convert videos into powerful blog articles. That's exactly how it is. It's going to give you this content structure and everything. It's a good tool. You can just go ahead, I'm just going to go to the dashboard right now. So this is my dashboard of video2blog. And these are some blogs that I've been creating for the company that I work at. It's justpay.ai. So I think it's super easy to do. If I just share with you guys how to do this, let me just go ahead and maybe just go to Just Paid and then go to Just Paid. And then yes, so this is one video that Daniel has done. I'm just going to copy this. Also, I host the podcast with Daniel too. So as you can see, I'm right here. I'm right here doing a podcast on the official Just Paid channel. So yeah, where am I? Yes, that's me doing the podcast on the official Just Paid channel. So if you guys want to watch that, definitely go do that as well. This video was the best one yet. We got like 10K views for this. I was asking like deep questions about AI unicorns. All right, so enough of plugins. So what we're going to do is we'll just take Daniel's video here, which is Unlock Startup Success, Why One Customer Matters. I'm going to go to video2blog, just put this link here, and then just say add visuals. Basically, this is embed videos. I can just click AI generated. I can give it a custom prompt, but I'll just let it be. Add screenshots. So what it's going to do, it's going to take screenshots from this video, and then it'll start adding them directly inside the blog. Add stock images. I don't like stock images. I'm just going to use add screenshot, add links, add a CTA, subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is correct. Add links. I think this is enough. All right. So I can actually save this as a template too. I can save it as a template called Just Paid blog template 1. I'm just going to click OK. And now I can just go ahead and create the blog. All right, so first what it does, it's a very basic structure, right? And so if you're watching my videos, you kind of know how all of this works. So what it basically does is it transcribes the entire thing and then converts that into a blog and then just writes the blog. All right, as you can see, it's generating the blog. It's basically just, I guess, a wrapper on OpenAI like most of the applications, but it has some good metrics. Adding the screenshots, I think it's just going to do it for us. I'm just going to wait and see how it does it. Yeah, I'll be able to edit once it's done. So the generation is 53%. It's actually generating SEO metadata as well and generating an AI image. So what it does is behind every blog, there is metadata, right? So it's basically doing that as well. And I think the blog is fairly nice and with a link as well with final thoughts and link. So I'm just going to wait and see exactly how the end product would look like. But it's a little slow. All right, so it's a little slow in generating these blogs. So let's just wait for it. Until then, let's try something else, right? So how to use a tool that we already have, which is basically GPT-4, right? I'm just going to open search, but before that, this is what you're going to do. You're basically just going to go to Vox script. And how do you find this? You're going to go to Explore GPTs, and here you type in Vox script. I don't know why it's taking some time. Yes. So you're going to go into All Wire Technologies LLC. This is the actual one. This is a fake one. This is the real one. So you just go ahead and click on this. But as you guys know, I already have it in my GPTs. And I'll just be pasting this link here. And I'm just going to give it a prompt. Help me make blog post out of this. Make sure the blog is well written. And what else can we add? And dives into the topic. Also, give a CTA, subscribe to Just Paid official YouTube channel. All right, so I think my subscribe spelling is wrong. I think that's it, right? And I'm just gonna enter. Now let's see what it does. All right, so starting action. So it wants to talk to its own API. So they have their own API. And I'm just gonna click on always allow. It's just going to start the action right now. But one catch here is that this has to have transcripts. If it doesn't have transcripts, it doesn't work. Yes, it's just creating the blog post right now. And let's look at this one. Yes. All right, so firstly, I haven't asked for stock images. It generated a stock image. All right, so in fast-paced world of startups, okay. That's a screenshot of Daniel, which is something that I would not use at all because its eyes closed. So it doesn't really make sense. All right, the value of small customers, one screenshot, all right, one feedback. All right, the screenshots are great. Learning, again, I wouldn't be using this one. Utilize AI for growth. Maybe this is something that I could use. You know, it looks like Daniel is trying to explain something. Focus on customer, not this one at all. All right. So it did not generate any kind of AI images. These are all like stock images. But all right, these are good, right? These are definitely good. I'm just going to save these, I guess, and maybe even look at SEO metadata. Blog post code is excellent. I don't know on what is the metrics for this. I mean, it could just be like simple UI that's trying to do this, right? Meta description, slug, tags. It just doesn't make sense. It's all right. I mean, it's all right. Content structure is great. It's all right. Promotions. Okay. I see that it's trying to link all of these. Okay, so if I do export, all right. Yes, one important thing is that you can directly export this via HTML, text. Yes, you can export these to different mediums. It could be LinkedIn as well. All right, so why don't we try LinkedIn, right? I could just post this on LinkedIn. And I want to post it via company, right? All right, so I don't know why it's not allowing me to post it via the company account. What? It's just giving me the link. It doesn't just make sense. It doesn't make sense at all. Instead, look at this, all right? Instead, you're actually paying for video to blog. I mean, you can use this. It's a good tool. It's a good tool, definitely a good tool. You can export it to these. All right, so this is a share. Okay, this is just for sharing. And this is actually blogging. WordPress, Medium, Blogger, Ghost. I've never heard of Ghost. It's just Blogger, Wix, Shopify. But the thing is, we don't use any of these, right? At JustPaid, we actually use Webflow. So there is no Webflow integration. So I'd have to do this manually, of course. So instead, I could just use this, right? Let's see if it has something. All right, so unlock customer success while securing one customer is crucial. All right, this is great. See, if you're generating this with AI, you are doing this to increase the amount of blogs that you post, to actually just keep posting more blogs to get attention. So you can just use any of these. You can just use any of these. The only option is that, you're already paying $20 a month for ChatGPT. Why would you want to pay extra for video to blog.ai? I don't know how much they're charging. Let's just check how much they charge. Pricing. Oh, that's monthly. What? Monthly, that's $40. Pro starter 10 blogs a month. 10 blogs a month. With this, I can generate 100,000 blogs a month. So yeah, that's 30 blogs a month, 100 blogs a month, $99. I don't know why anyone would be using video to blog.ai. I mean, we are using it, of course, but it's the company that's using it. We're using it, yeah, nothing to say about that. But I'd be using WalkScript, which is a free thing that you basically have on ChatGPT. So yes, just go ahead and use ChatGPT, copy this, and did it embed anything? Yes, it did embed. I don't know how it found the embed. I think it found the embed using this. It found the channel ID. So I can literally just copy this, and that is my blog. And if I want to add screenshots, I can just go ahead, take it from the video. Yeah, I can just take it from the video. I can just take the just paid screenshot from the video, and then I can just add it in my blog. So yeah, I lean towards ChatGPT, but at least now you guys know how exactly you can convert videos to blogs. But there's one catch, like I said. What if you don't have the transcript? If you don't have the transcript, simply what you can do is, so WalkScript does need a transcript. So if you just look at this video, if I just click on CC, it does have transcript, that's subtitles basically. So what about the videos that don't have any of these? For that, you can use NoteGPT.io, and it's basically YouTube transcript generator. So this is what you can use if you're just landing on the page. You can just look into YouTube transcript generator. I don't know what it is. Yes, I'm just gonna go back. Hope you guys get the point. Just put in the link here. You just take the link, paste it here, and generate transcript. It gives only a couple of free transcripts. If you're logged in with an account, you can download it with timestamps. If not, you don't need timestamps. So this is very useful when you're creating descriptions. So basically, if you just go into my videos, you see descriptions, right? For example, this has been my favorite video and the best performing one. I also look really good in that one. Not that I don't look good here, but yeah, I'm just, giving you a point. Yes, you look at these, right? You see all of these timestamps. So all I can do is I can just download the entire thing from this, download with timestamps. I take it back on ChatGPT and say, give me a description with timestamps, and it's just going to give clear headings and create the timestamps for any video that I do. So that's kind of basically my workflow, guys. That's how I create my videos and how I give timestamps. And another meta thing is I'm also going to create timestamps for this video that you're watching using the same tool. So yeah, that's my workflow. That's how I create blogs. But I don't tend to, use these blogs for the newsletters. So don't worry, I'll not be bombarding you with AI generated newsletters. It'll be real concrete newsletters that I'll be sharing with you guys. But hope you guys get the idea. Use ChatGPT, use video to blog, any of these tools. But the important thing is you actually push out content. Use the tools to push out content, because one thing about these tools are only good, but if you're not using them, they're of no use. So maybe AI agents can do this. Maybe there could be like a social media AI agent that does all of this. That's super cool as well. But for now, this is the workflow that you can try out. So that's all for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys liked this one and learned something out of it. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and the newsletter as well. So yeah, guys, that's all for this one, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.